Hi guys, today help me cook some lumpia. As you can see, I already cooked some. And let me take these out.
Yana, bilis na lang. Naku, baliktarin ng baliktarin kasi hindi pa luto yung loob niya na.
Okay. Let's just wait for these ones to cook.
Pag medyo nag-brown na yun. Yana, sige na.
Anyways, let me just how do you put the camera? Let's check. Oh, that's. Oh, I got burnt. Okay. Need to. These are burnt. These are burnt.
Oo. Ang basa yung tuwalya eh.
Let's see.
Baliktad mo pa ulit na.
Those are burnt. Oh my god. Shit, that's the second part. If you want to see the mukbang part, it's named Lumpia Mukbang. Now my mom's helping me cook. Shout out to mama. Say hi.
Hey.
Hey guys, what's up? How you doing guys? Yeah.
Yana, ano ba naman yan? Ano?
Oh my god. Let me show you for you guys.
Doon sa timbayan.
Oh, that's so good. Look at that. I'm gonna make a mukbang.
You know how it tastes? Huh? You wanna taste my lumpia? No?
Yes.
Bakit tubig? Hindi sahod yan sa timba.
That looks so crispy. Look at
Ikaw talagang yan ang puta.
that
Bilisan nyo lang yan.
crispiness. So good. That's so crispy. I want to eat it already.
Huwag mo nang bisitin yan. Huwag mo nang bisitin.
That looks so good. Tambo. Anyway,
Bilisan mo na nga yan yan. Bilisan nyo na dyan.
look at this. So crispy. Look at that large bubble.
Naliligo ko lang kayo kung ano-anong ginagawa nyo eh.
Looks so good. We still have 3 more to cook.
Sige na, naligo na. Yan na. Hindi yung green.
The most good is let's fry a bottle. It's okay. I'm not frying up. Oh, looks like that melts. Okay, let's throw that away. Get out of here. Let the cat chase it. It's while my mom's here. Let's check.